Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is Frecky Fit Wolf. So today I'm going to be doing a quick video on how to change which WW plan you are on the website. Okay, so Monday I posted a video about setting up on the app and showed some things how to do with the app on your phone as far as switching plans and setting up your day and all that type of stuff. But I had somebody comment and ask, there are some people that aren't tech savvy that don't use the app, and they would like to know how to do that on the website. So I just told them I would make a quick video explaining that. So first, let's switch over here. So over this way, that way is the website. And it's just like your normal, what you'll see where you track your stuff. I mean, so far today I've only had a banana. But, and all the usual stuff. But this is me on the green plan, so you can see I get my 67 points and I have 36 weekly remaining. If you want to switch which plan you are on, then it's very easy. You go over here to account and you click settings. And once that loads, it's very simple. It's right here, green plan. You click edit. And then you just choose which plan you want. And I love that this actually breaks down what you'll have if you switch plans. So if I personally switch to the blue plan, you'll see that you'll have 52 daily smart points plus 200 0-point foods, including fruits, vegetables, eggs, chicken breast, turkey breast, fish, shellfish, beans, legumes, tofu, tempeh, and non-fat plain yogurt. And with the purple plan, you'll have 36 daily smart points plus 300 0-point foods, including all that stuff. I do like that it shows you what your points will be, and it shows you what is mainly different. So it's the 0-point food list that is different. In case people do get confused, the differences between the plans are the 0-point food list and how many points you get in a day. Everything else is the same. So when you are calculating recipes and such, they are the same. So before I do this, I actually want to show you, let me just go back to the main screen. So if you have recipes that you have made, this is one thing that I am really, really loving. If you go to my food and you can see, so like I have the black rice, chicken fajita stuffed peppers, and this mac and cheese that I am making for a Thanksgiving video, but still, like that stuff's on there. So let's just look at the top three. So 3, 8, and 4 is on here. So if I go back into the settings and switch to, let's say, purple, switch. So now it'll show, well, it's confirming. It wants to make sure this is what you're switching from to, which is really cool. So your daily smart points, what's going to change, and your 0-point food list, which is what's going to change. And that's basically all that change. It asks a reason, just curious about a different plan. So save that, let it load, it's got to do its thinking, then go back up here to the main page, and now you can see everything is set up differently. This is all about purple, but one thing that I love is that you go to my food and your recipes, there they are, and they adapted to the new points. So that black rice chicken fajitas that were 3 are now 2. The mac and cheese that I made that was 8 is now 2, and then the rice itself still tracks at 4 because it's not a 0-point food. So across the board, it will be 4 points. That's not really a recipe. Oh, because that's just all of my food. So if you went to recipes, that would just show those. But oh, can I work on that in here? Okay, there we go. But so this would just show all of them because those are ones that I use the nutritional label to add. So therefore, they're my food. But yeah. So they adapt to the new plan and how many points they cost, which I think is awesome. So just because I'm not sticking with purple, I am going to go back and switch back to my green plan. Switch. And it's going to do the same thing, confirm what's going to be changing, and there we go. Curious. I like the reasons because you can tell them like why you're switching. Like you want to be on the same plan as a family member. You want more or less points or more or less 0 foods. This plan wasn't working for me. It's something else. So that way they're tracking the people's reasons so they know Why? If it is like, this plan isn't working for me, if you click that option, that will probably go into a database so that they can see, okay, a lot of people are switching off of this plan because they're saying it's not working for them. So that's pretty cool. Although I do believe any of the Weight Watcher plans will work if you use them correctly. Just for me personally, I choose the green, and it depends on how you eat and what works best for you. That's the main difference for the different plans. So yeah, that was pretty much all I needed to show. Just wanted to show you that. If you have any other questions on how to use the website or the app, let me know. I'd love to answer. I'd love to show you guys how to do it, because sometimes it can be a bit confusing when you are looking at these websites. So, and in the meantime, I do have a Facebook group. If you click the link down below, you can join it, and then there you can ask questions in there, or give me a list of stuff that you'd like me to do a video on as far as explaining this. Or, you know, I do use iTrackBites, and so I can show stuff on there as well, because that is more eventually what I'm going to be switching to, just the iTrackBites, probably, I think. I don't know. We'll see. But either way, whether it's iTrackBites, which for the green plan is Sugar Smart, same plan, or WW, either way you can go. But if you click into my group down below, my Facebook group, you can ask questions, you can post stuff like that, and we are all trying to be super, super helpful with each other. And yeah, so let me get out of here. There we go. I'm big again. So yeah, so that is that. If you have any other questions, let me know. And hopefully this was helpful. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow for Meme of the Week.